In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Facebook without posting it to the newsfeed in 2026. If you want to update your Facebook profile photo a little more privately, this is a simple setting that can help. By default, Facebook may try to share profile picture changes as an update, but you can turn that off during the process so the change appears on your profile without being announced like a regular post. To get started, go to Facebook and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for your profile picture and click on it to open your profile page. This is where you'll be able to manage your current profile photo and make changes to it. After your profile opens, move your cursor over your current profile picture. You should see the option to update it. Click on Update Profile Picture to continue. Facebook will then give you the choice to upload a new photo from your device or select one from photos you've already uploaded before. Choose whichever option works best for you. Once you've selected the image, take a moment to adjust it as needed. You may be able to reposition the photo, zoom in or out, and make sure it fits nicely within the profile picture frame. It's worth spending a few extra seconds here so the image looks clear and centered, especially since profile pictures are displayed in a small circular format in many places across Facebook. Now this is the important part. Before saving the new profile picture, look carefully for the option that says Share your update to newsfeed. If that option appears, make sure to uncheck it. This is what prevents Facebook from creating a post to announce your new profile picture to other people through the news feed. If you skip this step, your update may still be shared publicly as a standard profile picture change. After you've unchecked that option, go ahead and click Save. Your new profile picture will be updated on your account, but it won't be posted to the newsfeed as a new update. That's all there is to it. This is a quick and useful way to refresh your Facebook profile picture while keeping the change more low-key. Just remember to always check for that newsfeed sharing box before saving, since that setting is the key part of the process.